Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Mohsin Raza Official. In today's video, I will explain the Malta Work Permit health screening process for 2026. Step by step. From checking the requirement to completing your medical screening and receiving your clearance. I will explain the complete process in simple English. So let's get started. Step 1. Check if health screening is required. First, check whether health screening is required for your Kotanlakos. Occupation and Work Permit application. Step 2. Employer starts the application. Your employer or HR representative starts the health screening application online. Step 3. Open the official health screening portal. Access the official Malta health screening portal and open your application. Step 4. Upload required documents. Upload the required documents, including your passport bio page and signed consent form. Step 5. Submit the application. Check all your information carefully and submit the health screening application. Step 6. Choose an authorized doctor or clinic. Select an authorized doctor or private healthcare clinic for your health screening. Step 7. Book your medical appointment. Contact the authorized doctor or clinic and arrange your medical appointment. Step 8. Complete your health screening. Attend your appointment and complete the required medical examinations and tests. Step 9. Doctor uploads medical results. The doctor or authorized clinic uploads the required medical information and results to the online system. Step 10. Wait for health screening clearance. Your health screening will be reviewed, and you will receive a notification when the clearance is completed. Step 11. Save your clearance notification. Keep your health screening clearance email or notification safely for your work permit process. Step 12. Submit proof to identità. Use the health screening clearance as proof when required for your Malta Work Permit application. Final. Ending. So this was the complete Malta Work Permit health screening process for 2026. Make sure you follow the required instructions carefully and keep all your documents in clearance records safe. For more Malta Work Visa, Skills Pass and Work Permit updates, like, share and subscribe to Mohsin Raza Official. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.